Is reseller hosting still a profitable home business? Reseller hosting is among the most sensible businesses you can start from the comfort of your home. Not only is it good as a standalone business but also makes a good addition to a freelancer's portfolio. Here are some things that make reseller hosting a profitable home business. No upfront investment. Unlike a traditional web hosting business, reseller hosting does not need an investment for setting up infrastructure. You leverage your hosting provider's infrastructure to offer web hosting services to your clients. Branded services. You can brand your reseller hosting services to appear as an independent web hosting company. Your customers won't see your reseller hosting provider at the back, and you will be the hosting provider for them. Customized plans. One of the biggest limitations of a regular web hosting companies is the rigidity of their plans. As a reseller, you can offer customized hosting plans based on your customer's requirements. Recurring business. Once you choose a hosting provider, you tend to stick to them unless you get bad service. Reseller hosting is a recurring business as almost all customers renew their plans after they run out. Easy add-on. Most businesses require you to study the market, the demand and your competencies before starting out. Reseller hosting doesn't need much to begin with, and there is always demand for web hosting. Reseller Club offers reseller hosting in a range of plans with free hosting migration and seamless upgrades. Get the best of reseller hosting with performance-optimized hardware, Cloudflare protection and 24/7 expert support.